Okay, let's look at another one more round of indices. Okay, I'm going to start with question A first. Now, you nampak, or you can see very clearly, inilah soalan indices where you see there is a minus and there is a plus in between the indices. So whenever I see something like this, my keyword for my solution is called the backward. I call it the backward method. For me, the keyword for this is called the backward method. So what do you mean by the word of backward? A simple explanation. Okay, contohnya 2 power of n plus 2 is exactly 2 power of n times 2 power of 2 minus 2 power of n plus 10. I saw 2n power of n minus 1. So when it's minus, the backward of indices for minus is 2 power of n divided by 2 power of 1. Step 1. Okay, step 2. What will I do? To make it look easier for me to solve, I put it 2 power n equal to y. So when I do that, I'm going to get this whole thing. I think you can see very clearly 2 power of 2 can be labeled as 4. 2 power 1, all of us know it's actually 2. I can cancel this off to get 5. So I can actually rewrite this as 4y minus y plus 5y. So when I simplify this, this is going to be 8y, and I know y is exactly 2 to the power of n. I've done the simplifying, but I cannot just stop there because 8 is a denominator, or 8 is a base of 2, can be converted to a base of 2. So that is what I need to do. So when I convert 8, it is actually 2 power 3 bracket 2 power n. So all of us know this is multiplication. So I can rewrite the answer as 2 to the power of 3 plus n as the final answer. Okay, now let's look at B. The same indices, but there's only one change. The base is not the same. But before I do that, the first step is for me to move the 5 to my right. Logic very clearly can be seen. The base is not the same. So what is the keyword that comes to our mind whenever the base is not the same? We bring in log. So what I'm going to do, I bring in log to the base of 10 into the picture. So this becomes 3 to the power of x plus 2 equal to log to the base of 10. Why I use log to the base of 10? Because the calculator 570ms or ES, we have a log base of 10 in the button in the calculator. So once you have done that, then I may start the solution. Power, you can move it in front. So when you do that, you are going to get actually x plus 2 LG is the short form for log 10 equal to LG5. So to get x, I do 1 by 1. I know this is times, so I move the log 3 to the other side. It becomes log 5 divide log 3. Then in order for me to get the x, I think you know this very well, you can actually move the 2 to the other side. So when I move to the other side, it becomes minus 2. I think all of us have got a calculator for this. So you press the calculator for this, and the final answer you get is x equal to negative 0.5350. If you want to leave it as 4 significant figure. Okay.